Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete the social media icons from your WordPress site. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, go to Appearance, then click Customize. This opens the WordPress Customizer. Inside the Customizer, look for a section called Header or Footer, depending on where your social icons appear. Click on Footer first, then look for settings like Social Icons. If you find an option to show or hide social icons, turn it off. You might also see delete buttons next to each icon. Use those to remove them. If the icons aren't in the footer, go back and open the header section. Check for similar options like in the footer. Once the icons are removed, look at the preview on the right. If they're gone, click the blue Publish button at the top to save your changes. If the icons are still showing, they may be inside a widget. To fix this, go back to your dashboard, click Appearance, then choose Widgets. Look through all widget areas like the header, footer, or sidebar. If you see a widget labeled Social Icons or Social Menu, delete it or remove the links inside. Visit your site and refresh the page. The social icons should now be gone. That's how you remove social media icons from WordPress using the Customizer or Widgets area. Thanks for watching.